Hey guys, Dirty Bird Concepts here. I want to show you our new bars, brand new bars for the Challenger. We have them in 4-inch overstock, 8-inch overstock, black and chrome. They'll fit right on your Challenger. They're adjustable, so these are kind of high up right now. You can pull them back for if you're a little shorter guy. Up here, a little taller guy. We got them for the new Challengers, all versions. We got them for all the other Indian models, as you guys already know. You can find them on the website, www.dirtybirdconcepts.com. Right now, for the whole month, we have 10% off. Promo code is ThankYou10. Black Friday deals are going to come out Friday. Promo code should be Black Friday 15. That'll be 15% off. So yeah, just wanted to show you guys this. Right now we're working on an ass end package for the Challenger as well. Later today we'll have that finished. We'll post some new updates on that. Also, if you want to lower your bike, our lowering links for the rear suspension do work for the new Challenger as well. Thanks for looking, guys.